Good morning, students. Today I will demonstrate on how to construct an isometric view of this object using a few simple steps to follow. The first step is to draw the axis of projection, the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, the left 30 degrees cross axis, and the right 30 degrees cross axis. These lines are done using a 3H pencil because these lines are only your guidelines. Step 2. Lay out the measurements of the object. Put a mark or point and label them if necessary. Plot the surfaces one at a time. This intersection, we can plot it as a point 1. Point 1. Then, get the distance or measurement from point 1 to point 2. The distance between point 1 and point 2 is 2 centimeters. We're going to plot it in our left 30 degrees cross axis. Then, label it as point 2. Point 2. Next is the height of the object from point 1 to point 4. The measurement is 3 centimeters. Label it as point 4. Next is the distance or measurement from point 1 to point 8. The measurement is 2 centimeters. Then label it as point 8. From these points, draw a vertical line using a 3H pencil for your guidelines. Next, in point 4, draw a left 30 degrees cross axis. If we take a look at our object, this intersection would be our point 3. Point 3. So we can label it as point 3. This is now your surface B. Now that the surface B is done, let's proceed to surface C, which is the side view of the object. So we have here a point 1 and point 8. We're going to get the distance from point 8 to point 5. So the distance from point 8 to point 5 is 4 centimeters. We are going to plot the 4 centimeters and this vertical line. This point is 0.5. In order to complete the surface, simply connect 0.4 and 0.5. The next step now is to draw a left 30 degrees cross axis from 0.5 and draw a left 30 degrees cross axis. Next, measure the distance between 0.5 and 0.6. So the distance of 0.5 and 0.6 is 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters. So this point, we will label it as 0.6. 0.6. Again, to complete this surface, connect 0.6 and 0.3. Now that we are already done with plotting all the points from point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, point 8, and point 5. This surface is surface C, while this surface is surface A. We can now visualize the object. We are almost done with our isometric drawing. The third step is to draw or darken all the visible edges of the object. Use a 3B pencil in darkening all the necessary lines that needs to be Now, our isometric drawing is done.